In every collision, every catch, every crash, there's a quantity that affects the outcome. Whether the egg cracks, the car protects its passengers, and the athlete hits a home run, that quantity is impulse.
Today we're uncovering the science behind impulse and why time, not just force, determines everything. Impulse is the product of force and time, written as J equals F times delta T.
Impulse equals the change in momentum, written as J equals delta P, which is also equal to M times final velocity minus initial velocity. So impulse isn't just about how hard you push it, it's about how long the push lasts. When you drop an egg from a height, it hits the ground with some downward velocity. That means it has momentum. This is written as P is equal to mv.
When it hits the ground, it must go to a velocity that's 0. That change in momentum is impulse. Let's talk about why catching an egg gently works. Since an egg always starts and ends with the same speeds, the impulse is identical, whether it hits a concrete or a pillow.
I'm dropping an egg right now.
Oh.
If you were wondering why athletes follow through, it's not just for style.
When you follow through, you increase the time that the bat applies force to the ball.
More time equals more impulse equals bigger change in momentum or a faster ball.
Impulse is the driving force when athletes are striking, throwing, and pushing. Impulse is the difference between a weak hit and a game-winning shot. When a golfer steps up to the tee, every moment matters, but one part of the swing often gets overlooked, and that's the follow-through. The longer the club face stays in contact with the ball, even just for an extra few milliseconds, the greater the impulse delivered to it is.
Impulse is equal to force times time.
Impulse is the product of force and time. So when the golfer drives through the ball with a strong, smooth follow-through, they're not just finishing the swing, they're extending the time that force is applied. Light kick. 8, 3, 2, 1. Follow through. 3, 2, 1.
More impulse means more energy transferred, and more energy means the ball travels further down the hallway. So the next time you swing, don't just hit the ball, drive through it. Your follow-through isn't just for style, it's physics, and physics are power.
Newton defined impulse in physics as a product of force and the time interval over which it acts. According to his second law of motion, an impulse causes an exact change in an object's momentum. This fundamental concept allows scientists and engineers to calculate everything from the force of a bouncing ball to the thrust of a rocket.